Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about matchstick making. How is matchstick making? The head of safety matches are made of an oxidizing agent such as potassium chloride mixed with sulphur, fillers and glass powder. The side of the box contains red phosphorus binder and powder glass. Next, what are the raw materials for matchstick? Raw materials: straight grained wood, usually white pine or aspen, ammonium phosphate and paraffin wax for the treatment of wood, antimony trisulphide and potassium chloride for the match head, powered glass and other inert materials for better friction and burning rate. Next point is what material is matchbox made of? Wooden splints, cardboard and potassium chloride are the key raw materials used for matchbox production. And next is what is the chemical formula for matchstick? The matchstick match head contains a mixture of two chemicals, phosphorus sesquilphide and P4S3 and potassium chloride V and KClO3. When the match is stick, the heat of friction is sufficient to ignite the phosphorus sesquilphide. And the next point is which tree is used to make matchstick. Therefore, bamboo, one of the faster growing plants, is a sustainable raw material source for manufacturing matchsticks. For manufacturing matchsticks, the bamboo is mostly using, and the main advantages of using bamboo for matchstick production are reduction in the use of timber. Which wood is used to make a matchstick in India? The wood of white pine or aspen is used for making matchsticks. And the next point is what are modern matches made of? Modern safety matches usually have antimony sulphide, oxidizing agents such as potassium chloride and sulphur or charcoal in the heads, and red phosphorus in the striking surface. Non-safety matches usually have phosphorus sesquicell in the heads. And which energy is used in matchstick? A matchstick has a lot of chemical energy stored in it. When the match is struck, it burns, and the chemical energy in it produces heat energy and light energy. This is the information regarding matchstick making. It is also most important and essential item in the kitchen room. Suppose gas strikes are coming nowadays. Even though sometimes the gas strikers will by wet or by putting water on that, it will not ignite. Then that time matchsticks are mostly important to ignite the stove also. So it is important to use. So matchsticks are also mostly important. It is important in kitchen room. Wishing you all the best.